All right, y'all. We're gonna do a quick breakdown of today's trade. Super easy, explained fully, right? We had a previous resistance that got taken out. Super easy to see that, right? So when I'm charting, what I'm looking for is obviously your resistance, your supports, and where price action is at now. So price action, we opened up in London session right in the middle. All right, in the middle of yesterday's range. So I'm waiting to either break above or below or below pre-market, right? So one or the other needs to happen for me to get into a trade. So I saw this sweep happen. I didn't take it yet. Why didn't I take it yet? Because we still have pre-market lows right here. Well, then guess what? We broke pre-market lows and we retested pre-market lows very nicely, might I say, right? So we took the retest of pre-market lows. Now, my thing is, I didn't want to hold. I didn't hold to a full TP, right? I took profits about right here. So I took profits at 683.5, and it ended up going to like shoot $2 more, $3 more, right? But I still caught a $2.50 trade. So from 686 to 680, okay, $3 trade, right? So with that being said, the reason why I sold so early is because look at the RSI. We're so oversold. I'm like, dude, this thing's gotta bounce. Like, I don't know why it keeps like why it's still falling. So then we swept the lows and we just held this support, right? Which looking back at it, I mean, I could see the support right there. I could see that for sure. I'll put it there. And then break below there would be to go lower. Right. So that was a good would have been a good take profit. I thought for sure that if we broke right here the 681.80 that we would just free fall down to at least 676. Um, so I thought maybe this retest would have been it, especially if you know it looks good, right? So we'll see what happens tomorrow now. We have a lot of news. We have CPI, we have PPI, we have Trump talking tomorrow night. We have NVIDIA reporting news after hours on Wednesday. So there's definitely things to be careful of this week. All you guys need to know is to pay attention to key levels and wait for price to react off of key levels in order to take that trade, right? So my new key levels we'll go over again tomorrow morning, and we'll see what we get tomorrow. All trading is waiting for your levels for price to come to your levels and see how it reacts, right? Clear rejection off this level. Could have taken this pullback. I don't like pre-market. I waited longer. This was a whole another $2 that I waited. So don't get FOMO. Just wait for it to come. Meta, I'm swinging calls. It may work, it may not work. It's ballsy because of this week. But like I said, we'll see. This is a breakout and this is the retest. So I added at the end of the day. We'll see what happens with it. Stop loss, probably about 637. I mean, pretty much where it's at. So if it opens lower tomorrow, I'll just sell it. Um, but take profit. I want 683. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with that. Um, Tesla was a great short today. I missed it. I think I went over at pre-market too, but Tesla below that 405 was great trade. Even below this, let's see, pretty sure, yeah, below 402. Man, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous trade. Did the whole filled all the way down to those London lows. So now we'll see. We'll see what happens, right? We'll see if we get some bounces. We'll see what tomorrow holds. I don't think we have crazy. What's tomorrow? Tuesday. Everything is done by 9 a.m. So consumer confidence numbers, obviously, you got to watch out for, but that'll be at 9. So it's a half hour into the market. Just wait. Let the setups play out. Let them come to you, and then execute. Um, I think that's about all. That's about all I got. That's the name of the game. Every day, this is what I do. I remove my indicators, I remove my drawings, and I start with a fresh chart to get a fresh view and re-game plan, right? And mind you, we are still, I mean, this whole thing is a zone, right? This whole thing we're just consolidating in right now. So the breakout's coming one way. We shall see. We shall see. 250, 50, 100, 200 on there. And we're under the 50. See if we break under that 100. If we break under that 100, we'll probably go to that 200. And then watch for a bounce there. So see what happens, y'all. Just stay tuned in, stay patient, stay disciplined, wait for only your setup, and feel free to reach out, ask some questions. If you want to do this stuff yourself and not rely on someone every single day, we teach. So reach out. Let's go. It's your boy Mike Lowry, Lowry Trading Academy, Mikey Trades 23 on YouTube. Let's get it.